Hello students, and welcome to your World War II and Holocaust introduction. For this activity you will be completing an escape room. So this activity is designed to help you explore different perspectives and marginalized voices in the Holocaust and during World War II. During this activity, you are expected to work your way through the various pages of the website designed to learn more about various ethnic groups and religious groups and their experiences during World War II. In order to complete the escape room, you're going to need to answer questions on the form embedded right in the escape room and use the information on the website to answer the questions on the form. During this time, your teachers are not going to provide the answers for you, but they will help you with navigating the website and giving you a general idea of where you can locate the information. Your goals with this, other than to escape, the breakout room, we want you to explain what you already know about World War II, identify how various groups were impacted by the events of World War II, identify key ideas and events in World War II, ask questions about World War II events, read multiple points of view and evaluate their perspectives, and read informational texts across a variety of formats. So now what I'm going to do is take you over to the escape room website and show you how it functions. This is the home page for your World War II escape room. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see your navigation menu, and we'll talk more about this in a minute, but just so you know now, each of these pages will have information that you will need to answer the questions in the escape room activity. Over here, we have the directions, and as I read through the directions, I'm asking that you follow along as well. You are about to begin your study of World War II. When most people think of World War II, they probably remember images and information about the Holocaust, the persecution and extermination of the Jews by the Nazi regime. However, it was much more widespread than that, impacting communities from across the globe. This website provides a very brief introduction to some of these communities. To successfully complete this escape room activity, you must correctly answer all of the questions below. The answers to the questions are found within the pages of the website. Use the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the page to navigate the site. Note, it is recommended that you open each of the pages within this site in a new tab so you can easily locate the answers to the questions without losing your place in the form. The titles of the pages should give you hints as to which questions they will help you answer. You will have 40 minutes to complete this activity. Be prepared to participate and reflect on this information in a group discussion at the end of class. And down below we have the escape room form. So it is important to note that when you type your answers in, they must be exact. So if you are asked for a number, it has to be the exact number, and there'll be a hint like you see here: do not include commas in your numbers. If you're typing a word, the word must be spelled correctly. As I mentioned in the instructions, you're going to use the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the page to open up the websites or the web pages that you will need to answer the questions. My recommendation to you is that you open up a new tab with this same website right in it so that you can answer the form or answer the questions on the form quickly and easily without losing your place as you navigate through the website. So to do this, you're going to click on one of these sub-web pages. You're going to right-click. It will open up this menu. You'll say Open Link in New Tab. And then you'll see over here I have a new link that is opened up. I'm going to keep the form up on this tab, and then I will use this one over here to navigate through the website. And you will want to read carefully and clearly to answer all of the questions. Remember, if you have any questions as you go through this, please feel free to ask your teacher, but they are not going to give you the answer to the question. They'll just help point out where you can find the answer. I hope this provides a quick overview of how to use the website and to navigate it, and please enjoy your experience in this escape room.